Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes. Today I am teaching you English, children. Our topic is WH words. Okay, WH means it's a digraphy words. TH, SH, WH. TH, th. SH, sh. WH, v. Okay, children. Now, v sound we are going to learn. Okay. WHO, who. ఎవరు హూ ఆర్ యూ ఎవరు నువ్వెవరివి ఐఎమ్ ఎ బాయ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ గర్ల్ లైక్ దట్ హూ ఆర్ యూ ఓకే ఇన్ WH words we don't have ending words, we all have only beginning WH words. Okay, then why, WHY, why are you crying, why are you eating. Okay, the next one, which, WHICH, which. Which thing you want? Black color, white color. WHAT, what? What are you doing? I am writing, teacher. Asking things, children. All WH are asking only. WHOSE, whose? Whose pencil is this? Whose sharpener is this? Okay, question forms. All WH are related to question form, children. Questioning your mummy. Where you are going, mummy? When you'll come, mummy? Okay, like that. All question types, children. WHERE, where? Mummy, where are you going? Yes, it's asking question form, children. WHILE, while. While I am playing, I fell down. Okay. WHALE, whale. Whale is an animal. WHENE, when. When we are going to school. Okay. ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తున్నాం స్కూల్కి when. WHISPER, whisper. Whispering means చెవుల్లో గొనుకటం, చిన్నగా మాట్లాడతాం, స్లోగా మాట్లాడతాం. ఓకే, విస్పర్. All WH words will start with beginning sound only. We don't have ending WH. All the words we have beginning only. Okay. Who, why, which, what, whose, where, while, when, and whisper. Okay. We'll write WH words and we'll write 3 more action words, children. Now we completed 6, no children? 7, 8 and 9. 7th one is laugh. LAUGH, laugh. ING, laughing. Yes or no? When we are in a happy mood, what we'll do? We will laugh, we will smile, we have a smiley face, we laugh for everything. Yes or no? LAUGH, laugh. ING, laughing. Then COK, cook. ING, cooking. Who will cook, children, in your home? Daddy and mommy will cook the food. You are small children, you don't cook now. Mommy or daddy will cook the food. Then next one, SLIDE, slide. ING, sliding. When you go to the park, you'll do sliding, no children? Yes, that is sliding. LAUGH, laugh. ING, laughing. COK, cook. ING, cooking. SLID, slide. ING, sliding. We'll write WH and action 3 words in the notebook, children. Be ready with the notebooks and the pencils. WH words we wrote 1 to 10 numbers. Yes. Now shall we write? Start writing, children. WHO, who. WHICH, which. WHAT, what. WHOSE, whose. WHEN, when. WHALE, whale. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-I-L-E, while. W-H-I-S-H, W-H-I-S-P-R, whisper. W-H-Y, okay children, we'll read and we will underline WH words. All WH words are beginning only children, no ending. WHO, who. WHICH, which. WHAT, what. WHO, WH, whose. WHOSE, whose. WHEN, when. WHALE, whale. WHERE, where. WHILE, while. WHIS, wish, P upper, whisper. WHY, why. All WH underlined with the crayons or color pencil children, whatever you have in your home. The next page we will write. What we are going to write? Action words. Now write LAUGH, laugh. ING, laughing. Please mothers, write and give to your children. COOK, cook. ING, cooking. SLID, slide. ING, sliding. Okay, we finish writing. Then start writing 5 times along with the teacher. LAUGH, laugh. ING, laughing. 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 5 times I wrote. Remaining 5 times you write on your own. COOK, cook. ING, cooking. How teacher is writing? Closing mouth and writing? No. Open your mouth and say and write. COOK, cook. ING, cooking. COOK, cook. ING, cooking. COOK, cook. ING, cooking. Last one, sliding. We'll do sliding in the park? Yes. SLID, slide. ING, sliding. SLID, slide. ING, sliding. SLID, slide. ING, sliding. SLID, slide. ING, sliding. Please, when you are writing, children, open your mouth, say what you are writing and write. Then you will learn the spellings easily. Okay? Completed explaining on the board WH words. Yes, we will write in the notebook. I told you, no? Be ready with your notebook, I said. Open the notebook, English notebook. And sharp your pencils and be ready to write. Okay? Now today we are going to write WH words, children. Write C.W. 2 pages write, 1 page action words we are going to write now. 2 pages write C.W. and write WH words. WORDS words. And we will write 10 words. So write numbers 10. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot, 6 dot, 7 dot, 8 dot, 9 dot and 10 dot. Yes. Children, open English textbook, children. Zoom literacy textbook. Okay. Open page 7070 and 7171. We already reading finished, no children? 1 and more than 1. The same thing we have to read and here we have to write. In 1 page again we have to read and tick the correct box And here we have to write adding S, children. Okay. Now before that, write C.W, 2 pages, and write the date also, children. Now read the heading. TICK, take THE, the CORRECT, correct. BOX, box, tick the correct box. If one is there, we should add S. No. Many is there, we should tick S1. Okay. Now one goat, 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 tick the box. Many coins, COINS, S, where is S there? Tick that box. One house, 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 tick it. One girl, 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 no S. You should not tick the S1. See, spellings they have given jumbled. Here house is house, girl, girl, see. Now many tables, S, where is S, table spelling, that box tick it. Many nest, where is S, adding S, that box tick it. Zebra, zebras, this is one or many zebras. Many zebras, S1. One tree, yes, no, S1. Now see, read again. One goat, GOAT, goat. Many coins, COINS, coins. One house, HOUSE, house. One girl, GIRL, girl. Many tables, TABLES, tables. Many nest, NESTS, nest. Many zebras, ZEBRAS, zebras. One tree, TREE, tree. Now see, one kitten, many kittens. Kitten spelling, right, children? Next page. KITTEN. Right, full spelling. And last we should write S. Okay, kitten, kittens. Now one apple, many apples. APPLES you should write. One house, many house. HOUSE. Full, see the spelling and write. Last we should write add S. One bird, many birds. BIRDS, birds. One bird, many birds. Now car. One car, many cars. CAR. What we should add? S. One cloud, many clouds. CLOUDS. One crayon, many crayons. CRAYONS, crayons. One boy, many boys. BOYS, boys. One tree, many trees. TREES, trees. For everything, we should write the same spelling. Last, we should write S for one, no S. For many, we should add S. Okay, children. Open page 124, children. Yes, 24 we did. No coloring? Yes or no? Did you do this homework? Caterpillar, leaf and flowers, ladybird and snail. You did like this only neatly? Yes, good children. Clap hands. Now open page 126, children. Okay. Now write C.W one page, and this also again homework, children. This in science teacher told you not. Draw the parts of the plant. See, draw the flower with the 3 petals and stem and also the 2 leaves and color the picture. You should read this and you should draw here on your own, children. Take the help of your mummy and draw the picture here, children. What you should draw? First stem and leaves and flower. For flower we have 3 petals. Okay. Ask mummy to read the heading. Take the help of your mummy. You draw, or otherwise ask your mummy to put the dots. Join the dots and make the big picture, children, here. Okay. Now we will write this page 126. We will write along with the teacher. Choose the colors and write them. Okay. First we will read the spellings. Wherever orange is there, we will write there, children. It will be easy for us. ORANGE, orange. What is their orange color? Yes, balloon is in orange color. Now write here ORANGE, orange. Now next one, BLACK, black. What is the black color? shoes. Now write black down. BLACK, black. Shoes down, black color. WHITE, white. What is there in white color? Rabbit. Rabbit is in white colors. Yeah, rabbit is in white color. WHITE, white. Now PINK, pink. Yes, this rug is pink in color. Now write down under the rug PINK, pink, and say the sentence. Rug is pink in color. BROWN, brown. What is the brown color? Bag. Bag is brown color. Or a skirt, frock is brown color. Okay, bag only brown color, children. BROWN, brown. Bag is brown in color. RED, red. Yes, rose is red in color. Rose down right, RED, red. GREN, green. Yes, this caterpillar is green. Right, caterpillar down. GREEN, green. PURPLE, purple. This frock's purple color, children, but we can't see, but this is only purple color. Purple color shade is different here, but this is purple. PURPLE, purple. Then next, YELLOW, yellow. What are yellow in color? Yes, bananas. YELLOW, yellow. Completed all spellings? Yes. Now say the sentence. Bag is brown in color. Shoes are black in color. Rug is pink in color. Frock is purple in color. Rabbit is white in color. Rose is red in color. Bananas are yellow in color. Caterpillar is green in color. Balloon is orange in color. And do this as a homework. Next page. Draw stem first. Then draw the leaves. And draw the flower. And draw for the flower 3 petals, children. Take the help of your mummy, parents, please. Draw, or otherwise in the dotted lines you give them, they will trace and they will do the picture, children. To do the picture, mothers, please help them. Hello, children. Open English handwriting book, children. Yes. We completed, no, children, before page. Ready, set, go. Ready, comma, set, comma, go, dot. Next page, 88 and 89, we are going to write, children. They have given how to write 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Here I will explain you. You write, you know how to write. These 2 pages I am giving as a homework. So write H.W. I will explain you. 2 pages, write the date. 1. How to write pull down straight. 1. Whale. And 2. Elephants. Curve, forward, slant, left and slant, slide, right. Okay. On the dotted lines, first join the dots and write down 1. Then 2 also write. Okay, children. And here on the dotted lines, write two dotted lines hereafter. From starting with the green dot to red dot, write and circle the best one. Okay, 2 also write here and circle the best one. 3 giraffes. Okay, curve, forward. 2 curves forward is 3. Now 4 hippos. Pull down straight, slide right, left, pull down straight. Okay, you know now. Join the dots first. Forward curve forward. Then 4 how to write? Pull down straight, slide right, lift the pencil, pull down straight. And write these 2 lines and circle the best 2, best 1, best 2, best 3, best 4. I am not writing, you write 1 and 2 and show me in the next class, children. Bye.